What's up guys, Random Razor here with another tech video for you guys today, and today we're going to check out the SPECK Presidio metallic case for the iPhone X. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, slap it on the iPhone, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. So once again, I bring you guys another edition of the Presidio line from SPECK, and new for this year, they introduced their metallic line. They come in a few different metallic colors. In this case here, we have a very nice space gray, and it's quite obvious why I picked this color. It matches the space gray iPhone. And just like the other Presidio cases, it is a fused hybrid style design with a polycarbonate outer shell and an inner TPU liner. SPECK calls this protected layer as their Impactium shock barrier. And the purpose of this material is quite obvious. It helps reduce and disperse the energy from an impact away from your phone and into the case. To install this onto the iPhone, it's pretty simple. Just grab my iPhone X here, go button side first, and it just pops into place. So taking a quick overview of this case and what it has to offer, starting off with the top here, we do have an excellent amount of top protection with the Impactium material that wraps around the entire border of the phone. And I also want to say it is compatible with my edge-to-edge tempered glass screen protector that I have on the top here, so I'm really happy about that as well. On the sides, you have covers for your power button, volume rockers, and you still get a nice tactile feedback when you press on them, and a cutout for the vibrate and ringer switch. On the bottom, you have 3 individual cutouts for your stereo speakers, mic, and lightning port. You can also see on the corners the Impactium material that separates each corner here, and this gives the case flexibility and helps to disperse the impact of a drop, since generally when you drop a phone, it usually hits the corners first. And lastly, on the back side, you have the SPECK logo on the top corner, a cutout for your dual camera flash and microphone, in addition to a blacked out border to prevent any flash issues. But of course, the most highlighted feature of this case is the metallic color on the back, which in this case here, SPECK dubs as a dark gray, but it's more like a space gray, which matches nicely with the space gray iPhone. In addition, this metallic color does have a matte finish to it, so it's very smooth to the touch, a little bit slippery in the hand, but it should resist scratches a lot better than a glossy finish. Overall guys, just like the past Presidio cases I reviewed, pretty happy with this one here. I'm really digging this metallic finish that they have on it. Matches really nicely with the space gray iPhone, and if you have other space gray devices from Apple, it will also match that as well in your desk setup. And it also matches really nicely with the space gray stand that I have here as well. Aside from the color, it's also a very protective case with a rating of 10 feet of drop protection, and it's a not so difficult case to take on and off of your phone, all this in a very slim form factor. In terms of any cons or things I don't like about this case, the only thing I can mention is that because this has like a really slick sheen to it, it is a little bit slippery in the hand. However, the TPU or Impactium material that wraps around the top here does help you give a bit of grip. In conclusion guys, if you're a fan of the Presidio line, you want something that matches nicely with your iDevices, whether it's space gray or gold, you definitely can't go wrong with the SPECK Presidio metallic case. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, hope you all enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments about this case, ask away in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button, as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.